Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose. This is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do walking turns. Technically walking turns are in fact walking turns and returns, and you can do as many of these as you like. They take up a massive amount of space. We can barely fit in 2 returns and a turn in the space we've got here. So you can imagine if you were doing a set of 6, you'd be up the length of an entirely huge ballroom. You don't really need to know any other moves to be able to jump in with this one. So we're going to show you it and then we will break it down. We're going to literally start right the way back on the diagonal to try and make everything fit in, and it will only just fit even so. But it goes like this. It goes 7 and 8. Back, in, twist, walk, return, and turn, and return, stop. Now you could make that a lot more kind of flowing if you had the space to stretch it out a little bit. Even with this much room, it felt a little bit cramped for us, but we will break it down and we will do it slowly. We'll come all the way back here so we can use the full width and we'll show you how things go. So it starts like a first move. We go back, in, twist out. I will put a first move link in the description below in case you've never done a first move, but most people will have done. We start with a count of walking just to get the lady going, and we set the lady up with a little twist to the right so we can then send her into a return. But it's a return while she's continuing to travel, and the guys just walk along with the lady. So we return the lady, we recollect the frame as she comes round, pause her just for a fraction as she comes in to then bounce her back into a turn while still traveling. And again, we recollect. The ladies have just gone to the right, so they're ready to go to the left. And here we just lead the lady into a return and the guy stops. So the lady returns away from the guy to finish off. If you're doing more, obviously the guy would keep walking and continue with his partner. So let's talk numbers. We'll go from this side, going back the other way. So it goes back 1, in 2, twist out 3, walk 4, return 5, collect 6, turn 7, collect 8, return 1, and face 2. Let's try it together. We'll go back on the diagonal and we'll see how we manage. Here we go. 5, 6, walking, turns. We go back, in, twist, walk, return, collect, turn, collect, return, and stop. And that's it. That's the whole thing. Do like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel, and the notifications will mean you get told every time a new video comes out. If you've got them turned on in your settings, use a recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.